If people have been following, my house burned down a few years and we're cleaning up with this gardening channel. And behind me are some of the big logs that we were going to use in some of the new house or something else. So they're covered. I want to cover them with bamboo, since we grow bamboo, and make a trellis and grow some tomatillos and flowers. But before we do that, two things. My microphone in this phone goes really low, really high. I've had to repeat over and over and shoot some of these videos 6 times. And we have some new coming, but we need people to subscribe, not only to my channel, but the lower or smaller channels. This cost us to do these videos a lot of money. It's free for you guys, but when you guys subscribe, and it's free, all you have to do is hit that little link that says subscribe, and if you don't have an account, it's free. Put it under your foster dog's name or your foster cat that still needs a home. Because every time we get a subscriber, I need 1,000 subscribers to start getting paid from YouTube on any commercials, and 10,000 to really make a difference. If 10 people subscribe and give it to 10 of their friends, we're making it. Also, for some reason, thumbs up, and all you do is hit that little button that says thumbs up. They count that as good credit for us. So for my channel and all the other small channels, because we have no sponsors since we're small, it really adds up. But please subscribe. It's free, and we're better than just watching cable that you pay for, unless of course it's like Martha Stewart or something. All right. The idea of making this trellis, I don't know. I didn't measure this. I cut some bamboo. It doesn't need a lot of support, but it's going to lean against here. It's just a temporary. And if I don't use these logs or know what I'm going to use with them, I'm going to sell them because it's just a waste. Okay, so let me show you what I'm going to do. All right. This is how it's going to be laid out, I think. It may be too long to pick up for my grandson and me, but I don't know. I was going to put these in between, but I think I need the thicker bamboo for the ends. I was just going to tie these on as trellises. I think I have 6 tomatillos. And remember, they go 4 foot wide and 4 foot tall, so they'll cascade over that. But let me go cut 2 really large bamboo, and that way I'll use those as support. And I don't know if I should tie these or pre-drill and try to put screws on the bigger ones, but this is new to me. I grow bamboo, but I should be using it more. All right, let me get some more. Because bamboo does, when it's so thin, it will splinter. And then I have hardy backer for our tile, because it doesn't rust, and I don't want anything to leach down on our thing. And I'm going to try this. had to switch to longer screws. The bamboo was thicker than I thought. So I'm just going to put a few on the thicker pieces, and then I'm going to zip tie the other ones. Remember, this isn't really a structural thing. It's just to hold some tomatillos for one season. And if it was going to be longer, then I would really maybe screw everything in and stuff. But let me finish this and then we'll move it over. Alright, this is in, and all I have to do is kind of push it in a little bit. I prepared the soil with some compost, and I kind of dug it in maybe 2 to 3 inches and topped it. And then all we have to do is do the plantings. What'll happen is tomatillos will come up and cascade over it. Now, all these ends of the bamboo, these are perfect for your peas and tomatoes and stuff. This will help support a lot in your regular garden. But this is part 1 of the bamboo trellis. I'll see it when we plant it. This is Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. Thumbs up.